When it comes to keeping our roads safe, police officers use a wide range of tactics to stop dangerous drivers, some of which most of us have never even heard of. From clever maneuvers to high-tech tools and strategic techniques, law enforcement has developed creative and effective ways to pull over vehicles that pose serious risks. In this article, we'll uncover 18 surprising methods police use to stop dangerous cars, revealing the skill and innovation behind modern traffic enforcement that goes far beyond just flashing lights and sirens. Spike Stinger. The Federal Signal Stinger Spike System is a tactical tire deflation device designed to safely terminate high-speed pursuits. It features hollow stainless steel spikes mounted on a durable nylon base, utilizing the patented rock and tilt method for bidirectional deployment. The system is available in 3 models: the 10-foot Metro, 15.5-foot Trooper, and 25-foot Defender, each tailored for different roadway widths. Each unit includes a 40-foot rope with handle, spike replacement kit, spike insertion tool, and a hard storage case. The system is lightweight, officer serviceable, and deployable in seconds, making it an effective tool for law enforcement agencies. MobileSpike. The MobileSpike system offers a revolutionary approach to safely ending high-speed pursuits. Mounted to the front bumper of a police cruiser, it comprises a push bumper and a retractable mechanical arm. When activated, the arm extends a flexible spike strip under the suspect vehicle's tire, causing controlled deflation over 30 to 60 seconds. This method prevents tire blowouts, enhancing safety for officers, suspects, and bystanders. Effective at speeds ranging from 15 to 120 miles per hour, MobileSpike has been rigorously tested across various climates and terrains, demonstrating consistent reliability. Installation is straightforward, typically completed in under 2 hours, and the system is designed for easy maintenance. Priced competitively, MobileSpike provides law enforcement agencies with a cost-effective solution to manage dangerous vehicle pursuits efficiently. Global Grab 400. The Global Grab 400 is a robust active vehicle barrier designed to halt high-speed vehicles effectively and safely. Certified to ASTM 2656-07M40/P2 standards, it can stop a 15,000-pound truck traveling at 40 miles per hour, with penetration distances ranging from 3.31 to 23 feet. The system features a ground retractable design, allowing for quick deployment and retraction, minimizing downtime and operational disruption. Its shallow 18-inch foundation simplifies installation in various terrains. The Grab 400 operates electrically, eliminating the need for hazardous materials and reducing maintenance requirements. Its modular construction ensures easy part replacement and long-term durability, with some installations exceeding 1 million cycles. This barrier is ideal for high-security areas such as military bases, government facilities, and critical infrastructure points. Optima Mobile Hydraulic Roadblocker. The Optima Mobile Hydraulic Roadblocker, NMHRB, is a versatile and robust security solution designed to prevent unauthorized vehicle access in high-risk areas. With a width range of 2,500 to 5,200 millimeters and a height adjustable between 400 to 1,000 millimeters, it offers flexibility to accommodate various site requirements. The MHRB is crash-tested and certified to PAS 68 standards, capable of withstanding impacts from vehicles up to 7,500 kilograms at speeds of 80 kilometers per hour, ensuring reliable performance under extreme conditions. Its hydraulic operation allows for rapid deployment and retraction, typically within 3 to 5 seconds, facilitating quick access control. The system is powered by a 380-volt, 3-phase supply, with options for manual operation during power failures via a hand pump. Constructed from heavy-duty S235 steel, it features a durable top plate painted in RAL 1028 traffic yellow with black stripes for high visibility. PITAGONE F18. The PITAGONE F18 is a certified modular mobile barrier designed to protect against hostile vehicle attacks. Standing at 1 meter tall and weighing 38.5 kilograms, it offers a compact and robust solution for security applications. The barrier features adjustable spacing between modules, 43.5 centimeters or 68 centimeters, to accommodate various configurations. Its design allows for ultra-fast assembly without the need for tools, enabling quick deployment and retraction, even by a single person. The F-18 has undergone rigorous crash testing and holds multiple certifications, including PAS 68, IWA 14-1, and German standards, demonstrating its effectiveness in stopping vehicles up to 12 tons traveling at speeds up to 48 kilometers per hour. Its energy and lateral shock absorption capabilities enhance safety, while the modular design ensures easy storage and transport. The barrier is also ADA compliant, allowing for pedestrian walkthroughs. Its versatility makes it suitable for securing events, checkpoints, and public spaces. Grappler Police Bumper. The Grappler Police Bumper is an innovative vehicle arresting system designed to safely terminate high-speed pursuits. Weighing approximately 180 pounds, it features a spring-loaded nylon net that deploys from the front bumper of a police vehicle. At the push of a button, 2 vertical bars hinge downward, releasing the net to entangle the rear tire or axle of a suspect's vehicle, effectively immobilizing it. This device is particularly beneficial in urban settings, where traditional methods like spike strips may be less effective. It allows officers to stop fleeing vehicles without resorting to dangerous maneuvers, thereby enhancing public safety. The Grappler has been successfully utilized by various law enforcement agencies, including the Phoenix Police Department and the Clark County Sheriff's Office, to safely conclude pursuits. Overall, the Grappler Police Bumper represents a significant advancement in pursuit management technology, offering a safer alternative to traditional vehicle stopping techniques. CrookHook. The CrookHook is an innovative vehicle arresting device designed to safely terminate high-speed police pursuits. This patented system attaches to the front of a police vehicle and deploys 2 spring-loaded arms that hook onto the rear bumper of a fleeing vehicle. Once engaged, the CrookHook uses the pursuing vehicle's momentum and braking power to bring the suspect vehicle to a controlled stop. The device is engineered with pressure-sensitive technology to apply just the right amount of force, ensuring it doesn't damage the suspect vehicle's fuel tank or undercarriage. It is compatible with both front and rear-wheel drive vehicles, including those with powerful V8 engines. The CrookHook is activated at the push of a button and can be quickly redeployed if necessary. Priced at $8,995, it offers law enforcement agencies a safer alternative to traditional pursuit methods. Stop Stick. The Stop Stick is a premier tire deflation device utilized by law enforcement to safely and effectively terminate high-speed pursuits. Its design features hollow-coated quills that act as valves, releasing air at a controlled rate to deflate tires without causing blowouts, thereby reducing the risk of vehicle instability. The device is bidirectional, equipped with rollover end caps for rapid deployment, and is effective against even self-sealing tires. The standard model is 2 inches, 5.1 centimeters in diameter, ensuring compatibility with various vehicle types. Additionally, the StickBot remote deployment system allows officers to deploy the Stop Stick from a safe distance using a 2.4 GHz wireless remote, enhancing safety during operations. Barnacle. The Barnacle is an innovative parking enforcement device designed to immobilize vehicles with unpaid fines, offering a modern alternative to traditional wheel boots. Weighing just 17 pounds, it attaches securely to a vehicle's windshield using commercial-grade suction cups that exert 1,000 pounds of force, making forcible removal nearly impossible. Equipped with a motion-sensing alarm, the Barnacle alerts authorities if tampered with or moved, and includes GPS tracking for real-time location updates. Motorists can resolve the violation by paying the fine online or via phone, receiving a release code to detach the device themselves, and returning it to a designated drop box within 24 hours. This self-release feature enhances safety by reducing direct interaction between enforcers and motorists. The Barnacle is currently in use across various US cities, universities, and parking facilities, demonstrating its effectiveness in improving fine collection rates and streamlining enforcement processes. SABTECH Tire Killer. The SABTECH Tire Killer is a robust above-ground mechanical spike barrier engineered to thwart unauthorized vehicle entry while still permitting controlled exit. Equipped with independent mechanical spikes and treated with anti-corrosion paint, it ensures both durability and high-level security. Easy to install and maintain, it's backed by after-sales support and includes a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for policing and perimeter control. It delivers effective, passive vehicle interdiction without the need for power or complex controls, emphasizing functional simplicity. This steadfast design makes the SABTECH Tire Killer a practical, low-maintenance solution for high-security zones seeking efficient vehicle access control. RF SafeStop. RF SafeStop is a cutting-edge, non-contact deactivation system that safely halts moving threats across land, sea, and air, using high-power directed radio frequency pulses. Mounted on vehicles or vessels, it quietly and efficiently disables engine control systems by scrambling electronics, bringing cars, boats, UAVs, and motorbikes to a controlled stop without physical impact or collateral damage. Compact and energy efficient, it accommodates various antenna configurations for extended reach, up to approximately 400 meters for drones and coastal vessels, and around 50 meters for civilian and armored vehicles. Easy to deploy and operate, RF SafeStop offers covert, precise intervention with minimal risk, making it a formidable tool for law enforcement and maritime security. Surface Guard. The Surface Guard is a temporary hostile vehicle mitigation (HVM) barrier expertly engineered for urban events like festivals, stadiums, protests, or VIP zones. Fully surface mounted with no groundwork required, it's lightweight, modular, and stackable for streamlined transport, storage, and deployment. Often installed across a typical road in under 40 minutes by a 4-person team using just a lifting bar. Tested to the rigorous IWA 14-1 standard, it can stop a 2,500 kilogram vehicle at 48 kilometers per hour and a 7,200 kilogram HGV at 0 kilometers per hour, 32 kilometers per hour, while still allowing pedestrian, cyclist, pram, and mounted police access. An emergency vehicle access point option offers reinforced, manually lowerable plates that clear passage within 30 seconds. ArrestNet. ArrestNet is a portable, non-lethal vehicle arresting system designed to safely terminate pursuits with precision. It rapidly deploys a high-strength net into the path of a fleeing vehicle within under 3 seconds, using a remote trigger from up to 30 meters distance. Equipped with barbed spikes that puncture tires and entangle front wheels, it brings the vehicle to a controlled, low-risk stop. The entire unit, including carrier and net, weighs less than 15.9 kilograms and packs into a compact 61 centimeters by 48 centimeters by 10 centimeters case. Deployable in less than 3 seconds and intended for escalation of force scenarios, ArrestNet delivers effective, rapid intervention with minimal danger to officers and bystanders. The MVB-3X is a certified modular vehicle barrier engineered to safely halt dangerous cars and heavy trucks, tested to stop up to 7.5-ton vehicles at 30 miles per hour under ASTM, IWA 14, and PES 68 standards. Lightweight at under 53 pounds per unit, each fold compactly, and assembles tool-free in seconds by a single officer. Its modular design allows customization to any width or terrain: sand, gravel, asphalt. Even swing gate pivot or slide wheel options enable entire lanes to open in under 10 seconds. As a DHS Safety Act designated solution, the MVB-3X offers rapid, reliable deployment for police in protecting public events and urban centers. The PROSpike Stinger is a cutting-edge, software-controlled spike strip designed for law enforcement to safely halt fleeing vehicles. Activated remotely up to 100 meters away via LCD displayed controls, It ensures officer safety by conveying system status, battery level, pressure, and alerts directly to the handler. The unit weighs just 24 kilograms and is compact enough for easy handling and installation without lifting gear. Two models, 1600 series and Concept 2, offer either 96 triangular aluminum zinc spikes or 125 stainless steel hollow spikes. Both pierce tires for controlled deflation within approximately 200 meters. PROSpike is TÜV and CE certified, low maintenance, and has been field tested by Dutch, German, London, and NATO forces, earning praise as a safe, efficient arrest tool. Net Barricades. The Predator M50 Arrester Net Barrier delivers rapid, reliable vehicle stopping performance with deployment in under 2 seconds, thanks to its hydraulic-electric operation. It's engineered to safely decelerate hostile vehicles while minimizing damage, both to the vehicle and its occupants, using an energy-absorbing net that gives upon impact. Its durable design requires no replacement of net or parts after typical impacts, significantly reducing maintenance costs. Span options range from approximately 29 feet to 80 feet, accommodate different entry widths, and control systems include customizable options with wireless and networked interfaces. Overall, this barrier merges rapid deployment, occupant safety, and cost efficiency in one robust solution.